Hello, amazing learners! Welcome back to Fun Learning. Are you ready to play and describe today? Say yes! Let's go! Today, we're learning something super fun. Describing words. Do you like big things? Do you like sweet ice cream? Do you feel happy sometimes? Then guess what? You already know adjectives. Today's magic word is adjectives. Let's make it super easy. Adjectives are describing words. They tell us more about something. Let's try together. Look here. This is a big elephant, and this is a small mouse. Say it with me. Big, small. Again. Big, small. Hot, fire. Cold, ice. Say it. Hot, cold. Now feelings. Happy, sad. Say it. Happy, sad. Wow, you're doing amazing. You're learning so fast. Big, small, hot, cold, happy, sad. Again. Big, small, hot, cold, happy, sad. Mini quiz time. Which one is bigger? Elephant or mouse? Yes, elephant is big. Elephant, check. Too easy? Let's level up. Candy. Is it sweet or sour? Sweet candy. Turtle. Slow or fast? Say it. Slow. Turtle, check. Car. Slow or fast? Fast. Car, check. Wow, you're getting super smart. Here's a trick. If a word tells how something looks, how it feels, or how it is, it's an adjective. Simple, right? Now, let's try something tricky. Lemon. Is it sweet or sour? Sour, lemon. Ice. Hot or cold? Cold. Rock. Soft or hard? Hard. You're doing awesome! Speed game. Ready. Elephant. Big or small? Big. Elephant. Mouse. Big or small? Small. Mouse. Fire. Hot or cold? Hot. Ice. Hot or cold? Cold. Wow, wow, wow. You are amazing. Final challenge. Now you do it. Look around your room. Tell me 3 describing words. Yes, you did it. Quick recap. What are adjectives? Adjectives are describing words. They tell us more about things. Today, try this. Describe 5 things around you. Big table, cold water, happy face. You'll become smarter every day. If you had fun learning today, don't forget to subscribe. More fun lessons are coming. See you next time, Superstar. Bye.